Hi, I'm Alia. So today I have a video for you guys about how to ask what is the time in Slovenian. So let's just begin. We say koliko je ura. So koliko means how much or how many. Je means is. And ura translates to an hour or a clock or a watch. But when you are saying koliko je ura, it means what is the time. So you're asking for the time. So let's give an example, right? So you ask me koliko je ura, and right now here when I check my time, it is 9:20. So I can tell you, ura je 29 minut. Alright, so ura je, the time is 9 in and 20 minut, minutes. Right, so one more time. Ura je 29 minut. Right? Second way of saying it is if you were to say, so it's 20 minutes past 9, right? So you could say ura je 20 minut čez 9. So čez means over or past, okay? So one more time. Ura je, the time is 20 minut, 20 minutes čez over 9, okay? A third way of saying it is, let's say that you want to tell me it's 40 minutes until 10, right? Then we would say ura je 40 minut do 10. Okay? So the time is ura je 40 minut, 40 minutes do until 10. So until 10. But as you can hear, I'm not saying just 10, I say 10. Let's say now it's 6:30. So we would say, you would ask me koliko je ura, and I would say ura je 36 minut. Okay, so ura je, the time is 6 in and 30 minutes, right? Or you can say until, right? So ura je 30 minut do 7. So it's 30 minutes until 7. Then we had another option, right? Oh, that was the second one. So čez, over. So ura je 30 minut čez 6, right? But since it's half, we actually can even use a different word. So we would say ura je pol 7. So it is ura je, the time is, pol means half, and 7, so like before, right? We were saying it's until 7, right? We say do pol 7. If the time was, let's say, 7:30, you would say ura je pol 8. Alright? And yeah, if you have any ideas what video I should do next, please leave them down in the comment section below. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye bye!